Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors today, and here for sale we have a beautiful 2002 Dodge Caravan SE model. This is not the Grand Caravan, and it's a smaller of the two. It's not as long, more of the base model Caravan. Comes with Goodyear tires all the way around, about 50% tread. Beautiful, clean and clear headlights. Small scrape here on the front bumper. It's all powered by a 3.3 V6 engine. Runs very well, as you can hear. It runs very nice. It's got all Mopar parts on it, so it's always been dealer service taken care of. It is a one-owner, no-accident, auto-check certified vehicle, and it has ultra-low mileage. So beautiful crack-free windshield, beautiful paint. It's actually in really good condition. Comes with a third-row seat, cloth interior, power windows, locks, mirrors. Everything's working. We have the nice tacked up headliner there that is custom, but it comes with the original owner's manual. These things were notorious for having falling headliners, so that was from the previous owner, and we just decided to roll with it. So it comes with the factory floor mats, dual sliding doors, no power. That was a little bit before this van, or after this van's time. It comes with tinted windows around the rear of the vehicle, plastic kind of black blue bumpers, and it's clean, smoke free, and a clean vehicle. The hatch struts are working properly. Comes with a rear wiper and third brake light. A small little ding there. It's got the little Reese hitch on it. But it's just a good running van. Everything's working. AC's ice cold. Stereo sounds great. The funny thing is, I mean, with these doors, this is only how far they can open because they had fixed mirrors. So when you try to go further than this, it stops you because you take off that side view mirror. Just thought that was a funny design flaw from the factory. Wonder what they thought back in 2002 on that. But your power windows and locks are here. It's just for the front two windows, and the rear windows are static. And then we have the side view mirrors, interior illumination, and headlights. We have our windshield wiper switch, and then we have cruise control. So this is all the buttons for the cruise. You can see as Dodge was starting to advance into the new age of what Dodge looks like today, you can start to see their buttons take form out of the 90s and into the new age. So there it is, 46,000 original miles, one owner miles. A little bit low on gas, it's the only warning light we have. It revs up nicely, idles smoothly. Stereo sounds good. We got ice cold AC, rear view mirror, map lights. Got a vanity mirror over there and sliding vanity mirror over here. And then this is for your rear windshield wiper. That's working, and you actually have to power on the AC with this power button. So kind of an interesting setup there. And then you have a power outlet and a slide out dual cup holder. And then interior storage tray, the little basket mat, and then this secret pocket drawer down here. And then that slides out so you can have that little storage in there. So there you have it. Nice, clean, one owner, 46,000 mile van. How can you lose? It's offered at an excellent price. You can find this 2002 one owner Dodge Caravan SE exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.